This residential vacant land is located in Mission, Texas 78572 in the Sharyland High School district. About a mile away from Sharyland High School and a mile away from Highway Expressway 83. It is one of the most desired areas in the whole RGV, and it has maintained a very high appreciation rate. Average homes in the area sell anywhere from $290,000 to $375,000. This residential vacant lot is 9,115 square feet, and it counts with a slab foundation on it of 3,000 square feet.